Play Store is the home to a number of apps. There are many useful apps and many unsafe, useless apps. Let's talk about 5 unsafe, useless apps. But before we do, make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel if you haven't yet. Now you have done that, let's get started. So at first we will talk about flashlight apps. Here comes the Super Flashlight app. Just take a look at the numerous permissions the app wants. It wants access to our contacts, to our telephone and whatnot. No, my question is, what will a flashlight app do with our contacts? No, he'll call our contacts and tell, I want to enable my flashlight, or he'll call me and tell, please enable the flashlight. I don't understand what is the use of this. So as a whole, I would say this type of apps are not at all useful and safe for your smartphone, and you have your own flashlight toggle in your smartphone. If you have any app like this, then uninstall it right away. So the second one is the UC browser. Again, take a look at the numerous access it wants to be granted. It wants access to our contacts, to our telephone, what not. Well, it's I don't know what, but we have to face this. In 21st century, a browser named UC browser wants access to our personal contacts to work. Wow, awesome. So this app is not at all safe for your smartphone, and I would recommend you to use the Chrome browser or any other browsers like Firefox, Opera Mini and etc. So here comes the third app known as Power Battery. Again, take a look at the numerous access it wants to be granted. Now let me make you aware of the fact that this type of apps do not do anything to the battery and these are useless. So I would recommend you to not install any app like this, and if you have any, you can immediately uninstall this app. First of all, let me tell you, you should be aware of this type of keyboard apps. Here comes the new 2019 keyboard app. Again, take a look at the numerous access it wants to be granted. Well, it's better to use the default keyboard app given by the smartphone or the Gboard by Google. So here comes the fifth one, the Super S9 launcher for Galaxy S9 or S8 launcher. I do not understand the meaning of the name. Whatever may be, this type of launchers may make your smartphone beautiful and attractive, but hope you understand. So I would recommend you to ignore this type of apps and be happy with the launcher provided by the brand. So guys, that's it for this video. If you liked the video, then hit the thumbs up button and subscribe my channel for more awesome technical videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Have a great day guys.